I'm Adrian.
And I'm Alejandra.
And we're the Cheferinos. Today we will be cooking you Papi's famous macaroni and ham.
The ingredients to make this recipe are rigatoni pasta, tomato sauce, the cheese that you put on your pasta of your choice.
You're also going to need diced ham, sliced garlic, and chopped onion. Along with that, you're going to need oil, salt, and pepper.
So first you're going to fill your pot with water, halfway. Then you're going to add your pasta in. Then you're going to have parental supervision, and you're going to have to boil it for 20 minutes.
Hey guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? So in order to make the sauce, you're going to need to first put in some olive oil. And then you're going to put in your chopped onion. Then you're going to get your sliced garlic. And then you're going to get your diced ham. After you put in those three ingredients, you're going to get your tomato sauce. And you're going to pour it in. When you're done putting the tomato sauce, you're finally going to put in your salt and pepper. And that should be enough. Once you're done putting the ingredients, you have to mix them. When you're done mixing, you're going to get your pot and you're going to cook it. But for this step, you're going to need parental supervision so that you don't burn yourself and you don't get injured. And you have to cook it for 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm back. So now we're going to get started. So once you're done with your pasta and you've drained all the water out, you're going to add it in with your spatula into a bowl. And if you don't like it with the tomato sauce, that's okay. You can just separate a portion for yourself, just like I did. So now that you've separated your portion, you can either leave it plain like this or you can add a topping. It's any topping of your choice. But for me, I added Parmesan cheese. So then, you're just gonna take your Parmesan cheese or your topping and just add it in. I like a lot, so I'm just gonna add a lot. Then you're going to mix it in. And that is how you make Alejandra's version of Papi's famous macaroni and ham.
Once the sauce is finished cooking, you're going to get the sauce and you're going to pour it into the macaroni. After that, you're going to mix it. And that's how you make Papi's famous macaroni and ham.
Now it's taste time.
It's the best meal I've ever had. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye.